Parts of the body. Easy learning with fun. Hello children, I am Abhi. I hope you must all be keeping good at your homes. Today we will be studying about parts of the body. As you know, our body is designed as a beautiful shape with different parts. Friends, we need to take care of our body because we need to keep it clean and safe from all kinds of dirt and germs. A child body has different parts and there is a particular name for every single part of the body. Our body. Okay friends, today we will try to learn the different body parts and their names.
Head. H-E-A-D. Head.
Head is on the top of a body.
Ears. E-A-R-S. Ears.
We have 2 ears to hear different sounds of different objects.
Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes.
We have 2 eyes to see and to look at the world.
Nose. N-O-S-E. Nose.
We have a single nose which helps us to get the smell and also helps us in breathing.
Mouth. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth.
We have a big mouth with the help of a mouth. We speak and we also eat yummy food.
Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth.
We have teeth and these teeth help us to chew the food.
Tongue. T-O-U-N-G-E. Tongue.
We have a tongue. Tongue helps us to taste. It also contains different tasty buds which help us to distinguish between the taste of different food we eat.
Neck. N-E-C-K. Neck.
We have a neck. Friends, neck helps us to look here and there to turn around.
Shoulder. S-H-O-U-L-D-E-R. Shoulder.
Friends, we are able to carry different loads and different things on our shoulder.
Hands. H-A-N-D-S. Hands.
We have 2 hands. These little hands help us to do many things. Like we can write, we hold different things, we can brush our teeth and we also clap.
Fingers. F-I-N-G-E-R-S. Fingers.
We have all together then fingers in 2 hands. These fingers help us to count and also to point at something.
Stomach. S-T-O-M-A-C-H. Stomach.
We have a stomach. Do you know that the food which we eat goes inside our stomach and gets digested?
Legs. L-E-G-S. Legs.
We have 2 legs which help us to walk and run and even helps us in dancing.
Knee. K-N-E-E. Knee.
Knees. We have to need help to bend over.
Foot. F-O-O-T. Foot.
We have feet. With the help of our feet, we are able to jump. Let's revise with some more parts of the body. Eyebrow,
Eyebrow.
eye, nose, mouth, chin, chest, arm, hand, leg, toe, forehead, ear, cheek, tooth, lip, tongue, stomach, knee, foot, neck, finger, ankle, hair, head, shoulder, back, elbow, waist, bottom, heel. So friends, that was all for the body parts. Now I have an exercise for you. Look at the picture carefully and answer the body parts given with the help of the words at the left side. What part of the body is it? Answer is ear. What part of the body is it? Answer is elbow. What part of the body is it? Answer is leg. What part of the body is it? Answer is mouth. What part of the body is it? Answer is head. What part of the body is it? Answer is foot. What part of the body is it? Answer is finger. What part of the body is it? Answer is neck. What part of the body is it? Answer is shoulder. What part of the body is it? Answer is ankle. What part of the body is it? Answer is nose. What part of the body is it? Answer is hand. What part of the body is it? Answer is knee. What part of the body is it? Answer is back. What part of the body is it? Answer is head. What part of the body is it? Answer is eye. What part of the body is it? Answer is stomach. What part of the body is it? Answer is arm. What part of the body is it? Answer is chest. What part of the body is it? Answer is wrist. So, that was the end for today's class. We will meet in the next class. Then take care yourself and your body. Thank you.